Hello, I'm in a 2011 Toyota Highlander, and today I'm going to show you how to activate your front heating seats. So, while the vehicle's on, you should see these buttons here. This controls your driver's side and passenger side heated seats. So you'll just click these buttons so it pops out, and then you'll just twist it. When this light's on, that means the heat's activated, so it's going to start heating up. And the further right you turn this knob, the hotter it's set to try to go. And then same with this one. When you click it out and turn it, it's now on. And then the more to the right you turn it, the more it'll get hot. And then the more to the left you turn it, the lower it'll get till you've got it all the way off again. And then just click it back in so you don't turn it by accident. Same with while it's on, you can push it back in so it just stays on that setting. And the way to test if it's working, easiest is just to turn it on and then wait a few minutes and your butt should start getting warm. If these aren't working properly for some reason, first thing I would check are your fuses. Maybe you've got some sort of fuse that's making this inoperable. After that, if it's not working, might check the connections underneath your seat. Sometimes those get loose, something like that might need reconnected or repaired. Beyond that, maybe if something severely spilled, some liquids, maybe that soaked into the seat in some way that shorted out some of your heating mechanism or sensors or things like that. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.